अभी चार्ज लो है,
ओके
अभी थोड़े टाइम में से ये चार्ज हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आप यूज़ कर पाएंगे।
ओके। USB टाइप सी है।
हाँ, टाइप सी है, टाइप सी है, और उसके साथ में आपका ये एक्स्ट्रा बर्ड्स और केबल्स।
ओके। वारंटी कार्ड मेरा
वारंटी
रिसीप्ट
आपका
ही।
बिल, हाँ वारंटी है।
ओके
ये आप किसी भी जबरा के सर्विस सेंटर में या फिर किसी भी क्रोमा में दिखा सकते हैं सर। मतलब जैसे अगर कुछ होता है तो हम ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ यू सर्विस सेंटर भेज के करवा के देंगे।
ओके
जैसे अगर कुछ होता तो इमीडिएटली रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलेगा, वो सर्विस सेंटर से डायग्नोसिस होने के बाद ही चेंज होगा।
ठीक। Yeah guys, so I'm back home now. As you've seen in the unboxing video, I purchased this Jabra Elite 2 earbuds from Croma for around 2000 rupees. uh, Obviously this isn't the latest and greatest from Jabra. I believe the Elite 4 or the Elite 5 would be the latest one, but I was looking to purchase an earbuds, a Bluetooth earbuds, within a strict budget, considering the fact that these don't last for too long, and splurging money on any kind of Bluetooth devices isn't a wise thing, according to me, in my humble opinion. Obviously if you got shitloads of money, definitely go ahead and splurge, but within a budget I just went ahead and bought a pair of these uh, Jabra uh, earbuds. Now for the money, this is what I've got basically. You've got an eco-friendly box, that's what it suggests, and in the back you can see that it has got a 2-year warranty. You need to register it on the Jabra app, Jabra Assist app, and you can take calls. It's a nice noise isolating design, definitely not active noise cancellation. And if 1000 rupee so-called earbud provides you active noise cancellation, then definitely it's just a gimmick. Don't don't go by all the marketing gimmicks. Noise isolating is good enough, and the powerful sound on the go, designed for a secure and comfortable fit. And this is the battery life, the claimed battery life. And as I said, it's got a 2-year warranty on it. It's made in China. You can go ahead and claim the warranty on it after you registered through their app. It's called the, let me go ahead and quickly browse through the app. It's called the Jabra Assist app, and once you register over here, you would be getting 2 years of extra warranty. And for 2000 bucks, I think it was a pretty good deal. This is the pamphlet as to how you can go ahead and do the initial setup of it. This came along with it, and along with the safety and information warranty guide. And this is a USB-C cable. Let me go ahead and quickly take the contents out. Yeah, so you can check the length of this cable. It's too small. USB-C, you can use any available cable. And these are two pairs of extra ear tips based on your size of your ear. You can go ahead and use it so that the buds themselves fit in quite with in a way that they don't tend to fall off. Okay, and this is the case itself, the Jabra case. It's got a blinking LED light. Now this is something that is fairly common across all Bluetooth devices, so I won't be going much into the depth of it. It's got a USB-C port. The case itself has got a matte finish, but uh, the the top or the lid of it is quite I mean, it does not give you a reassuring feeling, though it is okay, it will do the work. But just the lid part of it, the overall case is good. Okay, and here are the Bluetooth earbuds themselves. You can see, just need to pop them in, and they get into place magnetically. And as soon as once you do the initial setup, you need to go through, you can either set them up using without using the app, the way we normally do use for Bluetooth devices, or you can use the app, and you get a bunch of customized options. Let me go ahead and display that to you. So it has detected the devices, the earbuds rather, since I'd already paired those. And yeah, so you can get multiple options over here to, you know, my music presets and all. And you can also check the settings over here. You can, as I said, you can avail the extra warranty or register it online over here. You get an option to register the devices online. Since it's already been registered, you won't be getting the option now. And you can play around with the presets and, you know, tune it to your liking. Either you can also add a preset, you know, customize a preset and save it on your name. So that is something that you can toggle or play around with this Bluetooth app. Coming to the main part, the sound quality. Okay, the sound quality is good. I mean, it won't provide you any additional bass. The bass or the bass as they call it is there, and it has got nice signature to it. Okay, you won't be getting that rickshaw wala kind of bass, unnecessary bass that you can tend to get with cheaper Chinese knockoffs. And the overall sound signature is great. I mean, you even if you plug listen to songs on a pair of these for maybe an extended period of time, they will definitely won't they you won't feel fatigued, I would say. Okay, now this is something that I've only used for around 5 to 6 hours. Okay, so don't probably I'll be creating one more video after using them for a prolonged period of time. But for now, yeah, they seem to be working fine. The sound especially is good for the considering the price point. I believe the MRP quoted is 6,000 rupees. Yeah, one thing I observed is noticed rather is you can use the right earbud by itself, but if you lose the right earbud, the left one won't be able to work by itself. So you can. So I believe uh, the main circuitry is in the right earbud. So ensure that you don't lose the right earbud. Even if you lose the left one, you would still be able to use the right earbud all alone by itself. That is something to be noted. And I've also tried wearing a normal helmet, two-wheeler helmet you buy while while both of these were in my ears, and unfortunately I was not able to do so. Believe this kind of design is not helmet friendly, because some part of it protrudes out of your ears, and the helmet won't be able to fit in. So you would need to go for the Apple AirPods kind of design if you want to sort of wear a helmet. Okay, a vehicle helmet. And yeah, overall I'm as of now, at least for now, I'm satisfied with the sound quality. And I just hope that, you know, over a period of time, the battery and all, it lasts, because I had a very bad experience with a Chinese knockoff that I bought 3 years ago. And I've been using proper 3.5 mm jack uh, earphones. Basically, I had moved away from Bluetooth headsets because of that bad experience, but I had to buy these again. So I decided to go for Jabra. It is a Danish brand. It is made in China, but the Danes are known to sort of unknown for their sound quality. Yamo is one prime example. There might be many others. So yeah, I decided to go for Jabra, as this particular model was within my budget. And let's see as to how this one goes. If you have any questions or any comments, do let me know in the comment section. And thank you for now. Goodbye, guys.